switched locations. I'm seeing a lot of activity. There's some big bass right in front of me, and I can hear splashing all around the pond. So I think we'll get them with my secret weapon, zoom lizard. See if we can do it. Oh my gosh, he's right on top of it. And he's gone. There we go. That's a good one. Oh yeah. There he goes. Oh yeah. That might go too. Oh, slipping. Yeah. There we go. Skip cast for the win. Not a bad one. I'm not sure if we're gonna pull any more out of here though. I'm gonna take. There we go. Ooh, the rock is giving out. Almost falling in. I'd say he's probably about a pound and a half, maybe a little bit more. Would do underwater, but I don't have the waterproof case. So this is about as close as we'll get. There he goes. Water is super clear today, which is making him very, very skittish. There's actually a turtle right down there too. He's looking up at us. But anyway, we'll get back to you with more fish hopefully. Oh, there we go. Little guy. There we go. If you're wondering why you're biting on these lizards, it's because right now here in Georgia we just got a warm streak. It's 80 degrees, and then for a week now it's been in the 70s. So now they're up shallow and they're about to spawn, and these little lizards crawl in the beds and eat the eggs. Just gonna go back to the shade. Oh, there's another. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, almost broke me off there. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen this pond this active in so long. Ooh. These guys are fighting so good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Oh, don't pop off. There we go. Oh my gosh. I think we found the ticket, guys. There's another, about a pound and a halfer. Looks like the ticket is obviously the lizard thrown up in the shade. Not a bad one. This is a blast. I'm very happy to see this pond this active, because usually it's not nearly this good. And usually you just get a lot of dinks. There he goes. See if we can get another. Gonna have to modify this a little bit because the head's getting so torn up. Gotta approach it from more of the top so you can see instead of near the center. But that shouldn't affect it too much. Might actually help it get through these weeds a little bit better. So yeah, it came out pretty good. And back in the belly, tuck it into the plastic. Good to go. See if we can get another. Seems like they're just stacked up. What we have is the obvious shade line in there where I'm pointing. And it seems like they're coming out from the wood. There's some wooden pylons right there. And there's actually a hidden tunnel that they go in and out of. And I think that's what the ticket is right now, just pitching these lizards in there. And there's also a gravel bottom. Right now it's super hot. The water isn't too warm. So I think they're congregated on this gravel bottom, and that's what is making the bite so good right now. So we'll see if we can get another real quick. There we go. That's a good one. Yeah. There we go. Saw that guy just out in the open and he hopped on it. Same lizard. Another 1.5 pounds, close to 2. Oh my gosh. Did you just see that snake? Oh my gosh. That's like a 4-foot snake. I almost just stepped on it. I'm getting the hell out of here.